Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Math with Mr. W. And today, my topic is getting it together. And I just put this out here for the third grade teachers only because this is a good place to start thinking about what happens when I've got two different kinds of things happening, or three different kinds of things happening. What do I have to do? Do I try and do them in a row? Or do I gather things that are like and unlike? And then after I've done that, maybe I can combine them. So let's look at just adding in two different directions. I have some that are negative and some that are positive. So I start out with a -8. So I got -$8. So what happened? Maybe I owed somebody $8, and so I had to give them $8. But the next day I earned $12. So from where I started, and I don't know where I started, but we can start anywhere you want to. Let's say you started at $100 and I lost 8. I'm down to 92, but now I've gained 12 back, so I'm back up to 104. Now I've gained 10 more, so I'm gained back, so I'm now up to 114. But now I've lost 4, down to 110, and so on. So I can go, one thing at a time. Ka-dink, ka-dink, ka-dink. Or I can look at this as a group and say, what are my positives? I have a 12. I have a 10. And I have a 14. That's my positives. So I just add them up. 14 and 12 is 26. I've got 36 that's positive. And then I know that I have some of those that are negative. So what do I have? I have 8. I have 4. I have 8, 4, 7, and 2. So I have all of these that are going in the other direction. And I just simply add them together because they're all going the same way. So I have 15 and 6 is 21. So that means I've got 21 that I'm losing, but 36 that I'm making in a positive way. So if I combine these two, I end up with 15. So over time, I'm still up 15 from where I started. The point here is, what did I do? I grouped the things that were positive with the things that were going in the other direction. And then I subtracted, or I added in the opposite direction, and I came up with 15. So you might want to look at this as a strategy. Take your students ahead and move them into some strategies. Strategies are really important. And this could be one of the strong first strategies, besides the one where you always go back and look at a smaller problem that's the same kind and build it up through a pattern, as we've talked about before. So here we are combining things that look the same, so we now can combine them individually and then bring them together. So, strategies. Have a good day. Thanks for visiting. See you next time on Math with Mr. W.